Hello everyone, welcome to Nature at Doorstep. In today's video, we are going to see how to make herbal flowers tea. Just like my previous video on herbal leaves tea, here again we are not going to use any of the ready-made packets for making tea. Rather, we are going to pluck the fresh flowers from your garden and we are going to make a tea out of it. Tea has become a part of our day-to-day activity now. As soon as you wake up in the morning, the first thing you would like to have is tea. It's because tea gives a kind of refreshment. Apart from this, it also makes a wonderful beverage to enjoy with a group of friends. Have you ever wondered? Every time you happen to meet your friends, you always prefer to have a cup of tea with them and chat and spend time together. And that's because tea helps to relieve stress and it also helps to boost your mental health. Whenever you feel like having a personal me time, like when you feel like reading a book alone, or when you feel like browsing, or when you feel like reading a novel all alone, you always like to have a cup of tea, right? And that's because it helps to relieve stress and make us concentrate on whatever work we are doing by boosting our mental health. And that's the reason why we are having tea. Not only that, in India, it is a tradition to serve tea as a welcome drink to a guest. But then why serve milk-based tea all the time? Why can't we add a twist and serve something colorful this time? In fact, research say milk-based tea leads to bloating in stomach. They are our guests and we should care for them, right? So be the change and start the change now. Come, let me show you how to make a colorful, fresh, healthy herbal flowers tea with all the flowers plucked from your own garden. I'm going to show you two simple tea whose flowers I'm sure you can get it from your own garden. And the first being hibiscus tea. Hibiscus, the plant as such, it has got numerous benefits. Its leaves, take a handful of leaves, chop them, soak it in a bowl of water and leave it overnight. The next day morning, seize the liquid out and mix this entire liquid in a bucket full of water. And this is the best conditioner you will ever get. It does magic. To people who feel your hair is so frizzy and it is so dry, just give it a try. This is completely herbal and it doesn't have any chemical added to this. And it is 100% safe for your hair. I'm sure after trying, you'll come back to the comment section and say, yes, it works. And coming to flowers, these flowers are edible. Do you believe that? And that's why we are going to make a herbal hibiscus tea now. I plucked two flowers for making tea and now I'm going to separate out the petals. See, this is the petal. This is how you'll be separating it out. While removing the petals, just see to it the pollens doesn't fall on the petals. Pollens are the small yellow dots on the stigma, and the stigma is this long, lengthy portion that stands out from the center. And also say to it after removing the petals, this green portion at the base and the stigma. This is the stigma. These two are not edible, so just leave them out. I washed the petals. Now for making tea, boil water well. Turn off the gas and start adding the petals. And after adding petals, immediately just close it with a lid. Let it stay for another 2-3 minutes and just take out the lid and see the color change now. Wow. Just give it a slight stir and take out all these petals now. The essence of the petals have mixed with the water now. So these petals are not required anymore. And that's all. Your tea is ready for serving now. You can have the tea just like that, piping hot, or if you want, you can have it cold also. It all depends on you. And I've got a small twist to add color to it. Just wait and see. This is plain hibiscus tea. For adding sweetness, you can add a spoon of honey to it. And here comes your secret coloring agent, lemon. Yeah. Adding few drops of lemon juice in your hibiscus tea gives that refreshing lemony flavor in your tea. And apart from that, just see right in front of your eyes how the color is changing. Look at that red color coming out. Wow. This is the secret. And now you have got two different colors, healthy herbal tea to serve your guest. This hibiscus tea, it helps to lower your blood pressure, it helps to promote weight loss, helps in digestion, it helps to boost your mental health, it helps to release stress, and apart from that, it's good for your hair too. Now, let's see how to make a tea out of blue pea or butterfly pea. This is a climber plant and the flowers, they are rich in antioxidants. This is the bud that you see now. This is how the bud looks. I don't think I'm getting a clear view of this. That's okay. Coming back to the flowers, making a tea out of these flowers, they helps in digestion and they've got good pain relief properties. For making tea, I've plucked few flowers. They're kind of shrinked because of bright sun. Nothing to worry about that. Here again, we have to use only the petals for making tea. And the stigma and the base green portion, they both are not edible. So you have to ignore those two. You can make tea from fresh flowers as well as the dry flowers. So if you happen to get the flowers in bulk, just sun dry them and store it. And you can make tea anytime you want. And for people suffering from asthma, this is the best tea that you can give them to get some relief from breathing problems. I've washed the petals now, and for making tea, boil water and add these washed petals to it. And immediately turn the gas off and close the bowl with a lid. Let it set for another 2-3 minutes. Open the lid then, stir it nicely with a spoon so that the essence and the color of the flower gets mixed well with the water. And that's all. Now sieve out all the flowers and the tea is ready to serve. Wow, look at the color. Mild teal with a purplish tinge. Wow. And now the same secret coloring agent, lemon. Any guesses on what color we are going to get now? Check, check. See, purple. And the more you add lemon juice, it changes to pink. Look at the pink color now. Here again, you have got two different colors of tea. And now, altogether from just two flowers, we have got 4 colors of tea. All healthy drink. You can serve all the 4 either hot or chilled. And lemon, it is optional, but if you add, you get different color and the refreshing flavor. And for sweetness, you can add honey to it. Going forward, if you feel like having something cold or if your kids are coming and asking for any juice, don't give them aerated drinks or any packet juice. Rather, serve this tea, add some ice cubes to it and serve it chill. By looking at this appealing color, everyone will start shifting from aerated drinks to healthy drinks. Let's stay healthy and get connected to nature. I hope you like my video. If you find the video interesting, please do like, subscribe and share it with all your nature loving friends. And don't forget to click the bell icon for getting the notifications on my upcoming videos. Thank you.